Let's make fish tomato stew or all-purpose tomato stew. Hello everyone, thank you once again for clicking on this video. I hope you all are doing all great. As I said, I'm going to share with you how I made this fish tomato stew. Very easy to put together, and you are definitely going to love the end results. So if today being your first time on this channel, hello, this is Cooking with Sophia. Do well to subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. So now, without wasting my time, let's dive right in. So I already have some oil heating up, and to make the oil smells really good, I'll go in with some natural spices. So I'll go in with some dried rosemary, coriander seed, and bay leaves. Use any natural spices of your choice. I'll allow it to heat up for about 1 minute, and afterwards I'll go in with my blended onions. And don't worry, I'm going to be listing everything I used in the description box for you to check it out. I'll stir everything together and allow it to fry on low medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. And whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my video, sharing, also commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so we are back to check on the onions, and as you can see, it has really darkened very well, and that indicates that it is ready. So I'll go in with some tomato paste as well. For this recipe, you can either use fresh tomatoes or both fresh tomatoes and tomato paste. And so today I'm going to be using only tomato paste for this recipe. I'll add it to it, stir very well, just the way you see it on your screens right now. And I'll also add a little bit of water to it to help cook the tomato paste very well. If you have chicken stock or any other stock around you, you can add it to it, and trust me, it's going to add extra taste to it as well. So now let's allow it to cook until the tomatoes is nice and ready. Remember as well to check this from time to time. So whilst we're waiting patiently for the tomatoes to also get ready, if you haven't still subscribed to the channel yet, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you'll be among the first persons to be notified. Don't forget as well to share this video to your lovely friends and family for them also to enjoy this amazing recipe as well. Thank you so much for doing that. So after the tomatoes is ready, I'll go in with some powdered pepper, some seasonings as well. Use any seasoning of your choice, and don't forget to go in with some salt to taste as well. So I'll stir all together and allow it to cook for extra 10 to 15 minutes on low medium heat for the seasonings to incorporate very well with the rest of the ingredients. And we are back to check on the stew once more, and at this point it's doing all good and just perfect. So I'll give it a good mix, and afterwards I'll go in with my fried fish. For the fish, you can as well go in with any type of fish that you want. All right, so the stew looks very dark now, and that indicates that it is ready. So remember as well to fry your tomato stew very well so you can get a very nice and perfect color like this. Okay, so if you want to see how I fry this fish, I also have it on my channel. I'll leave the link to this recipe in the description box for you to check it out. So next I'll give it a gentle stir, just the way you see it on your screens right now, and afterwards I will allow it to fry for about 5 minutes on low medium heat, and it should be ready. But before that, let's go in with some chopped onions as well. It really adds flavor and taste to the stew. So if you haven't tried this combo, all you have to do is to chop some onions and add it to your stew and thank me later. You will definitely love this. So I'll allow the onions to loosen up a little bit for about 1 minute and the stew should be ready. Alright, so fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this tomato stew recipe. It turned out so good and I hope you're going to give this recipe a try. I enjoyed mine with rice. You can also enjoy this stew with some plantain, yam, banku, just name it. It goes well with everything. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video to this point. Do what to subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you so much and kindly stay blessed. Bye. Mega favela